welcome back for another video. Today is Wednesday, 14th of August. And yes, today is our first day balik sa school. I'm taking my certificate for kitchen management already. So, time check, I think it's 7:30 and my bus is at 7:36. So, abot pa naman ako. So, hindi siya masyadong malamig compared to the past few days. So, pa-summer, pa-spring na. Anyways, I will update you later. We're going to school.
The sky is changing from indigo into blue, and I am changing too, for the first and the last time. The earth is trembling, and I am trembling too. It makes me feel alive. It's the only thing I know. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? We'll sink into the shoreline and slowly disappear into it all, as it always was, as it always was. There's a wildfire behind me, an orchard ahead. Will you come with me and taste all of it? We'll turn into magpies and fly on the fiery wind above it all. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? We'll dance for forever and slowly disappear into it all. Into it all. Into it all.
Basta pa uli na ako sa balay. And yes, we had our class for today. Supposedly 3 days mo ang klase sa may nakabutang sa timetable. Pero ganina naingon ta among maestro nga okay ra daw. Among trainer nga okay ra daw na one day musulod. So one day ra a week ni musulod. Nakaulam mo mag-istorya o sarada. Wait, sa kinaitan.